Okay, so it is about 6:16. I had a customer come in with the iPhone water damage. You can see the water damage on the motherboard and in the housing. Water damage spot, the red spot. Okay, so I already cleaned the board. I'm gonna put it in and see if it works. Okay. Gonna put on a brand new screen because I believe their screen that they had was probably a little water damage. So we're gonna try another LCD. So you want it done? You want it done? I'm waiting on you. He said, do I need your phone right now? Another iPhone just came in. 6S. So a customer just came in with a 6S. This customer's water damage. Let's put a battery and see if this comes on first. Brand new Apple batteries. Brand new with the plastic. As you can see, iPhone 6 water damage.